My name is Syed, and this is my second milestone of a hexbug line following robot. So basically, in this milestone, I have made my motors work, and basically there are two motors. One is a leg motor, and the other is the motor that turns the robot. So basically, in order to do that, each motor had two wires, one black one, and another one is the white one. So the black one is the ground, and the white one is the positive. So basically, in order to do that, I programmed this robot. I used Arduino Nano, and for that case, I used attached the black wire, which would be the ground, to the ground pin of the Arduino Nano, and the white one, the positive one, to the digital one, digital 6. So, and one of the problems that I faced connecting was hooking up with the jumper wires and soldering it, because as I soldered, and the liquid that melted filled inside this hole, and which created a lot of problems for me because I couldn't insert that pin into that hole. So the solution that I found was using a jumper wire. The soldering problem was that as the liquid melted, it filled the hole and it became a solid. So I couldn't insert any of the jumper wire pins into that hole because it was already filled. So I used another holes because to make that connection, but in order to make that connection, it was very great distance, so I used the jumper wires. So I had to make more connections, which I doubted myself because I thought this robot wouldn't work. So as I connected the wires, since the black were the ground, and by inserting a USB chip, this would provide power, and the ground would give the power to the positive wires, and it would act as a output and basically providing the currents to the other circuits of this motor. It would make it work. As you can see, it can spin and move around. And my next step will be to programming the IR sensor so this robot can follow it.